beginning of a row, you can simply just knot the two tails together. So I'm going to work this first stitch in the new colour, lay the knitting down, and then just very carefully tie the old yarn, the cream, to the new yarn, the purple. That way this edge stitch here is not going to slip off the needle because it's been secured, the stitch has been secured nice and firmly on the needle by tying those two pieces of yarn together. So I'm going to continue now across the row. On the next row back, this is a right side row, I'm going to carry the cream up the side of the work, and that is done very, very simply, as you will see in just a moment. So what I do is on the very last stitch, I take the yarn that I'm carrying and I lay it over the top of the yarn that I'm knitting with. Can you see there? It's just laying over the top of it, not twisted round, just laying over it. Then as I knit that last stitch, turn it around, you can see that it just carries it up the back of the work there, nice and neatly up on the very sort of edge of the work. You don't then need to cross the yarns at the beginning of the next row. You leave the yarn that's not in use at the side of the work and you just carry on across the row. Now you do exactly the same at the end of a wrong side row. You'd work to the last stitch, you'd place the yarn that you're carrying up the side of the work over the working yarn, and then as you purl the last stitch of the row, the yarn will carry up the side of the work. And that's a really neat way of carrying your yarns up the side of the work when you're instructed to do so in the pattern.